Chromecast connect to TV, best streaming device, new system. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Dezco Morgan. If you're looking for the best way to stream your favorite movies, shows, and even games on your TV, then you're in the right place. Today we're diving into how to connect your Chromecast to your TV and why it might just be the best streaming device for you. Let's get started. What is Chromecast? So what exactly is Chromecast? Well, Chromecast is a streaming device developed by Google that allows you to turn any TV with an HDMI port into a smart TV. You can stream content from your phone, tablet, or computer directly to your TV without any complicated setup and B-roll, showing Chromecast being unboxed and plugged into the TV. It's small, powerful, and super easy to use. Now let's see how to set it up. How to connect Chromecast to your TV. Step-by-step guide with visuals. Step 1. Plugging it in. First, take your Chromecast and plug it into an available HDMI port on your TV. Then, connect the power cable to a USB port on your TV or plug it into a wall adapter for better power stability. B-roll hands-on demonstration of plugging in the device. Step 2. Switching to the right HDMI input. Next, grab your TV remote and switch to the correct HDMI input. You should see the Chromecast welcome screen. B-roll demonstrating switching HDMI inputs. Step 3. Setting up via Google Home app. Now open the Google Home app on your smartphone. If you don't have it, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once open, tap on Set up device, select New device, and follow the on-screen instructions. B-roll screen recording of setting up Chromecast on the Google Home app. Step 4. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Make sure to connect Chromecast to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone or computer. This allows seamless streaming from your devices. B-roll, demonstrating Wi-Fi connection process. Why Chromecast is the best streaming device. Montage of different streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus on Chromecast. Now that you're set up, let's talk about why Chromecast is one of the best streaming devices out there. Reason 1. Easy to use. Chromecast is super simple. Just cast from your phone, and you're good to go. Reason 2. Wide compatibility. It works with Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, and even games. You can stream almost anything. Reason 3. Affordable price. Compared to other streaming devices, Chromecast is budget-friendly while still offering high-quality streaming. B-roll, clips of different streaming services being used on Chromecast. Thoughts and outro. So there you have it. Chromecast is an amazing device for anyone who loves streaming content on a big screen. It's affordable, easy to set up, and works with almost any service you can think of. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you want to see more streaming device comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.